Hi everyone, musicalorgasms.com. Check it out. So let's do some improvisational, spontaneous music here. I've got the first backing track loaded. Just going to make it up as I go along. It's going to be pretty fun. It typically is. And as always, I really appreciate, more so than the viewership, the connections. And we connect by interacting. So comment, love, share, comment, mostly comment, because that's what I can really see and we can connect over. And I read them as I'm playing. Okay, let's get started. First backing track coming up right now. Hello, my first couple viewers. Nice to see you. Here we go, just in time. Switch to this later, probably.
can take
That was
back command of
interesting.
your showers with Old Spice Gentleman's Blend Body Wash. The main
All right, I'm going to get my other guitar now. So far, the attendance for this particular live feed, the live attendance, is good for... It's been shit. So this will be one of those where most of the viewership is after the fact. That's too bad. But we'll see how it progresses into the evening. If I keep doing this, we shall see. It's weird. Sometimes I can't figure out the Facebook algorithms. Hello, my two new couple of viewers. Hello, Christine. Like, sometimes I will do this, and just because the viewership is so shitty for so long, it's like, all right, fuck this. I'll turn it off and I'll start a new one, and suddenly, bam! So I'm actually contemplating just cutting this one and starting a new one. Well, maybe that would do something to the Facebook algorithm. I have no idea. But so far, the viewership on this one is complete garbage. So I'm going to do that same song again, since nobody was really here to see the first one anyway. And my floating bridge needs some work on that other guitar I was playing, so that's my primary reason for switching guitars up right now. Alright, so let's go. Alright, here we go. Not only that, but I'm just now realizing you can't really see my fretboard, and some of you really like to see my dancing fingers. So let me turn on another light real quick. I'll be right back. Like 2 seconds, 3 seconds, and maybe it's been 4 now, I don't know. But 5, maybe it's been 6 seconds. It'll be what it'll be. Okay, so now, I don't like the lighting. 1 second. 2 seconds. Maybe a third. I have no idea. Maybe I'll just be like, skip it. You don't need to see my fingers today. Alright. So this is going to be it. I fully understand what you're saying. Social media seems as random as rolling dice. Yeah, really it does. Like right now I got 1 viewer. I've been doing it for this long, I got 1 viewer. That is so lame. In fact, let me just go ahead and do that, because maybe it'll trip some kind of a trigger if I just do this one all over. So, if you're watching the recording of this, which will be most of the viewership, I'm sure, look at the one I do right after this one, see if it's any better. I'll be back in a second. Reload my page.